Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with another hair tutorial. In today's video, I will be using the hair by Toyotress. I will be using their Passion Twist braiding hair, so let's get right into it. So as you can see, I already did the parts on my hair. I parted my hair previously because I cannot see the back, so I always have my sister part the back of my hair. So I wanted to show you guys like a how-to tutorial on how to do these passion twists. They are very easy and so it takes like literally no time to do these. I rather do these over regular braids because they're just so bomb. And it literally took me, you guys, probably 2 hours to do this hair. I'm all for quick hairstyles and I hate taking forever doing my hair. So anywho, let's get into it. As you can, like, I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory. These are the parts. This is how I do my parts. And of course, I'm using this shine jam and edge control, ebb and edge control to conceal. I only use that edge control in the beginning. I mean, in the beginning, at the top of my hair, like more so like the parts in the front of my head, because I just want them to stay and last a little bit longer. So when I use the edge control, they definitely last a bit longer. Using my baby hair brush, as you can see, just to sleek it down pretty well. And this is the rubber band method, you guys. I don't usually do the rubber band method for this technique, but I thought I'd switch it up and do the rubber bands. And I found out when I did the rubber bands, they were a lot more neater and very, very easy to do. So you might want to get you some rubber bands and do this rubber band method, and you'll be good to go. So you can make them tight. I mean, it's really up to you, but mine's is pretty tight. I need my hair tight, y'all. I need it tight so it can be as neat as possible. So I'm gonna get through these parts and I will be back to talk more about the hair. Okay, so now that all of my parts are finished and complete, let's get into this hair, you guys. So Toyotress sent me over their Passion Twist hair, like I said before. And you guys, I was super excited to work with them because I've heard a lot of good reviews about their hair, their braiding hair. I just been hearing that it is the bomb. So they sent me over a pack of T27 and a pack of T30, as well as what I requested, which was a 1B. So in total, I believe, you guys, they literally sent me so much hair. I was like, what am I going to do with all this hair? So I believe they sent me, so no, they did send me, they sent me 7 packs of the 1B, and then they sent me a T27. They sent 2 packs of T27, and 2 packs of T30. So as you can see, they put in the packaging a crochet needle and some rubber bands and charms and stuff, which I'm not going to use this time. I actually tried to do the crochet method with the braids, and my parts were messing up. It was pulling the hair out of my parts or whatever. I was just like, no, this is just too much. So as you can see, this is how the hair comes. This is a full whole pack. As you can see, like I said, I already did the back of my hair, so I'll just be showing you guys how I did the front. Now, the hair is super soft, super bouncy. I was like so amazed at the texture of this hair, just beautiful. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking like 4 strands because I want my parts kind of, I want my braids kind of jumbo. So I just use 4 strands, and that's all I needed. I see a lot of people pulling the hair apart. For me, I didn't really have to pull the hair apart as much. Oh, excuse me. So I'm just going to take the hair, and now the technique is, let's talk about this technique. So if you are underhand or overhand, I am kind of underhand sometimes, so I'm going to braid under. I know that makes, I can braid both ways. So what I'm going to do is you're going to start like as a regular braid, like a 3-strand braid. So my hair being the 3rd strand, and then the 2 passion twists the hair. So I'm starting at, I'm getting tongue tied. So I'm starting with the 3-strand method. And what you want to do is you want to, after you braid just a little bit, you want to get your hair in the middle, and you want to separate your hair into 2. So that make it to 2 strands, if that makes any sense. I slowed it down for you guys so you guys can actually see how it's done, and you just easily just separate it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to twist within a twist. In my last patch, I did rope twist. I did the same exact method. This hair is just a bit different, so it kind of creates more of like a curly or wavy water wave kind of look to it. But what I'm doing here is I'm twisting within a twist. So you want to twist and then fully twist, if that makes any sense. And then once you get a hang of it, you just twist, 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 twist. Make sure you continue to add some jam or some edge control. I didn't really, honestly, surprisingly, I just did it because I'm used to doing it, but I really didn't really need it because the pattern of this hair really captured really gripped my hair really well. So I didn't really need as much, but if your hair is like a thicker, or you want to make sure it just does not come out, I would go ahead and suggest that you put that edge control in between. So like I said, just twist all the way down, you guys. And then once I get down to the end, I'm going to just start twisting it like a regular twist, like how you would just do like a twist. And it creates like that bouncy flow to the braid, and I absolutely loved it, you guys. I love this hair. It's super soft, it's super lightweight. I was so shocked, and I'm like, everything everybody's been saying about this hair was just like true. It's so true. So now I'm taking the T30, the T30, which I didn't use the T27. I just decided to use the 1B in the T30. And like I said, I'm just doing the same exact technique. I pull 4 strands again. Look do you see how bouncy this is? Like, I was making sure I didn't use all the hairs. I'm like, I'm using this hair for another style because it is bomb. So again, just the same technique, a 3-strand braid. And then again, you want to get your hair in the middle of those 2 strands, so that way you can start creating your twist. I really hope I'm making sense, because when I first started doing these type of braids, like rope twist and kinky twist, I was so confused and my fingers were burning. But now that I know, I've aced the passion twist technique, it's so easy for me to speed through. Got not to brag a little bit, but I had to brag a little bit. But anyways, twist and 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 twist. That's all you want to do. What else about the hair? I used, because I know you guys are going to ask, I used 3 of the 1B. I think 3.5 of the 1B. And then I used 2 packs of the actually, okay, so let me start over. I used 3.5 of the 1B packs, and then I used 1.5 of the T30, and that created this whole entire hair look that you see here. I don't have a lot of braids because I didn't want them to be super thin, but if you want, of course, you're going to need way more hair. So in total, what is that? So technically in total, 3.5, 1.5. So it's like 5 packs. You're going to need like 5 packs for this look if you want them the size that I have them. And again, I'm just showing you how I just regularly just twist it to the bottom. And then once you let it go, it'll just curl right up and you are good to go. Add you some little baby hair. And that is pretty much it, you guys. Do I recommend this hair? I highly recommend this hair, you guys. It comes in different colors. As you can see, the colors I have in my head here, like I said, they're super soft. They're not even heavy. I've had them in for a day already, and they are not even giving me a headache. So you guys need to go ahead and go down to the description box because, you know, a girl, you need this hair. You really need this hair. And I'm gonna put the link to shop and all that good stuff that you guys love. And I hope you enjoy the rest of it. I really hope I'm not missing nothing. If I am, I will put it in the description box. It took me 2 hours to do this, to be honest. I think I probably said that already. Of course, some do grow to oil my scalp and get my hair to grow in these braids. And that is pretty much it, guys. I'm going to show you in the end how you can still style these in many different styles, which I did. And I absolutely love this hair. So Toyotress, thank you so much. Oh, that's what it is. I forgot. I cannot believe I forgot. This length is 18-inch, and I believe they have more. You can get them shorter, you can get them longer, but I'm in an 18-inch, and I totally forgot to put that in the beginning of the video. But I will probably go back and put it in. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, comment, share to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye.